How to use Temu without phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Temu without your phone number. So for that, just open Temu on your website, or you can also use it on your mobile phone. For this demonstration I'm showing you how you can use it without your phone number on my web browser. So for that, just search for www.temu.com and you will be landed to this particular website, the official website of Temu. And after that, all you have to do is just sign in or sign up with your account if you haven't already. So if you have the account, you can go ahead and sign in, and if you haven't have any account on Temu, you can register it. So I have an account on Temu already, so all I'm gonna do is sign in. So just click on the profile icon right here, and here it will show you the email address through which you can log in to your Temu account without any phone number. So you can go ahead and sign in with your email address that you have on your Temu account linked, and there is no number needed as such at this stage, at this point in time. So you can go ahead and easily log in to your account with your email address only, without using your phone number. So this is basically how you can use your Temu account without phone number. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.